We're talking about thread lockers right quick, or Loctite as most folks call it. What are thread lockers? Thread lockers are anaerobic adhesives applied by droplets to the threads of fasteners. It then cures to a hard thermoset plastic that locks the threads together. They are used only for metal-to-metal applications. There are different types of thread lockers on the market. So the purple color usually is your low strength for small fasteners. Blue is for medium strength for a little bit larger fasteners, or if you need a stronger hold. And then red is your high strength for larger fasteners, or when you really don't want that nut and bolt to come apart. If you already have fully assembled components where it's not feasible to disassemble the components to apply your thread locker, then a green self-wicking thread locker would be your best bet there. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.